Mom life. Lunchtime on Wednesday, and I've been getting a lot of work done on the computer this morning. I actually had to make a video for the South Carolina State Department of Education, which was pretty cool. It's chaos in here. We finished that up this morning, and so we just been kind of hanging around the house. I'm about to make lunch for the boys, and then we're gonna kind of get on with the rest of our day. What'd you take his cape? Here. What's the matter with you?
Cold.
Cole, what did Cole do? Huh?
I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything?
No.
Okay. Alright, I'm fixing your lunch right now, okay? After lunch, it's going to be Operation Cleanup around here for a little while, and then my mom is coming over so I can take our dog Katy to the vet. She's fine, she just got to go in for her annual appointment and shots and all that good stuff. And also after lunch, it's going to be Operation Nap Time for this little guy. What you getting into back here, man? What you got?
Cat.
You got a sock? Eads, yeah, that's right. It's Reed's sock. Let's go put it in the dirty clothes where it belongs, okay? You turn it into a hand puppet. Turkey or bologna? Bologna. Turkey or bologna?
Bologna.
Huh? Bologna, okay. Good job, man. We had some eggs and pancakes for breakfast. Clean that up. Get down. Don't play with that. All right, guys, y'all come eat. I don't know where Reed is. There he is. One of the hardest things to scrub off of a countertop is dried pancake mix. Okay, got the boys' lunch. Now I've got to take a shower and shave because my facial hair grows like a chia pet.
Chia.
So when you have three crazy little boys running around the house, you learn to take very quick showers. Also, I'm drying off with a Spider-Man beach towel because all of our bath towels are dirty. It's just that I strongly dislike doing laundry. Really, it's just the folding them and putting them up that is just such a pain in the... As I was saying earlier, Operation Cleanup has got to take place.
If I spy you, I'm going to hit you on the butt.
Ouch! You wanna ride the golf cart? Way is how Finn says yes. I don't know if he's trying to say yay or what, but that's how he answers yes, is by saying way. We can't go right now, buddy. Can you help me clean up? No? Alright. Can you pretty please take a nap for me so I can go get a little bit something productive done? Please? Just a little nap?
No. No.
I have a feeling today's nap is not gonna go well.
Just didn't happen.
I know one thing. You definitely wouldn't have to beg me to take a nap. Why you keep taking your shorts off? Come here. Nope. Alright, boys are in good hands. I'm kind of stuck. I can't really go anywhere. Construction in this neighborhood drives me crazy. My sister Sarah and her dog Cash are gonna meet us there. We usually try to take them together so they can just kind of have each other there for moral support. Whenever Katy gets in there, she starts shaking like crazy. Cash just kind of freaks out. Sometimes he has to put the muzzle on because he gets spooked and might bite somebody. Hopefully they'll just give him some treats and he'll be cool. Hey, I'm sorry I was looking at you funny. My wife and I used to rent this house. Yeah, sorry I was looking like a creeper. Okay, so I pull up to that house. I was gonna show you that house that Mary Carolyn and I used to live in back in like 2011, early 2012. But anyway, so I have my camera out, I'm pointing it at the house, and I'm driving by kind of looking like a creeper, and then there's a mom with a little baby and a baby stroller walking through their front yard to go into the house, and is looking at me like, who is this crazy person? So I wanted to kind of explain myself so she wouldn't like go in and lock all the doors and call the police. Just some bad timing on that one. Hey, Cash. All right, Katy. Katy, you did fantastic. All right, later. Love you. Bye, Cash, man. All right, everything went well at the vet, even though Katy's health care is probably more expensive than mine. She did a great job. Right now I'm passing by the Lake Catherine area in Columbia. Got some really good buddies that live over here. Check out how pretty this is. Okay, I am now headed back home to relieve my mom of her babysitting duties, and I'm sure the boys are probably about to drive her up the wall.
You can say that again.
Mama, you're a trooper. Hey, hey, hey. Did y'all survive?
Ooh, it was tough.
Did y'all have fun? With Mama? Penny's taking a nap. Finally took a nap.
It's about time.
What we got, Cole man? Got your rain stick? All right. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Finish the rain sticks.
I did it.
Oh, no, that's Moana and she's naked. What's this stuff? Somebody just spilled their rain. Was it called a rain what? Shaker?
I don't know what it's technically called.
Sorry.
We put popcorn in it and Coleman just spilled his.
Spill the beans.
You spilled the beans.
Sorry.
It's okay. It was an accident, right? Don't eat. Nah, don't put it in your mouth. Somebody just got put on sweeping duty.
How do you use it? Corner.
Popcorn?
Okay.
Don't eat it.
Nobody.
All right, Reed. Now we got to see if it sounds like rain.
Turn it all the way upside down.
Oh, there we go. Mom always has the best experiments.
Thanks, Pinterest.
Boo!
Yeah, boo, 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 boo. Golf cart ride.
right, you're the carrot holder.
Yay!
Coleman's got the rabbit food.
Be very, very quiet.
There he is! Oh, stop.
Shh, Katy. Don't scare him.
A rabbit.
These rabbits are running away from free food. You almost hit me with the carrot.
Let's get Betty.
Through the tunnel.
Monster stick. A bird.
A bird? You see a bird?
I'll go. I'll go.
Where'd he go? Pajamas, check.
But is it going to be long?
No.
I want it to be this tiny.
Okay, you got it. Mommy's gonna give you a bath, okay? Okay, Mommy is gonna give the boys a bath, and I gotta go grocery shopping.
No! God, please, no! No!
These things right here are incredibly good. It's a little after 9 o'clock. I think that's gonna about do it for today, so I'll probably go ahead and end the video right